Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you another unboxing from Parfois. So this one is my new Parfois item. It is in this beautiful color. I think it's like an olive color. It is my first green shade in my collection, and this is from Parfois, and it is like a dome shape, a small bag. As I adore small bags these days, we don't really need to carry a lot of things. And you can see it has one pocket at the back. It is very convenient if you want to put your card in there, or your transportation card for the train or the bus. And inside, you can see that it has a silver hardware, and it has this same color at the tip, such a different style, and a beautiful smooth zipper. So inside, it has a plain black, like a fabric lining, and another small pocket at the back. And we also have this free sling to make it into a sling. And as you can see, it's just a simple bag where you can place small items that you need when you need to go to the groceries or quick errands. So I think that's what I need these days, just a small bag. And this one looks nice. This is the strap. It is adjustable. You can see you have holes in there to adjust it into the length that you need. And same goes with the other side. So let's put it on the shoulders. I mean on the let's put the sling. So I think, is this correct? So I have to put it inside of this one, and to the button lock. This is such a beautiful lock. Okay, so let's put the other one on the other side. Same idea, same instructions, and okay, I'm just placing the adjustment into the middle portion because I think it is okay. So that is how it looks like when you put the sling, the adjustable sling, and on the inside you can see it's just a plain black interior lining with this tag. This one, its code is BagLove. So I think, I'm not sure about BagLove, but this is also like a dome bag. So if I wanted to make it into a short sling, I think I would do that. I just replace this one with a shorter handle, like the underarm bag that is very in style these days. This is such a small bag, as you can see. You can put, I think my phone still fits inside. Let me just get my phone. This is my phone case, so it does fit, so that's very important to me. The phone should fit, and you can see you can still place a lot of things inside because it has a wide bottom. And I think I'm liking this one because of the straps are soft. It's not firm. I think it will not hurt my shoulders, and I also love the combination of this cream versus the green. First ever green bag in my collection, and it doesn't really, it's not really dark, or it's not so bright as the leaves, because green is not really one of my favorite colors. But this one, it's more on the, almost on the color that is almost the same as the nudes, I mean on the neutrals. So this caught my eye, and also because of the shape, I wanted to have a dome bag as well. So this is my latest Parfois shoulder bag, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. And let's always thank God for these blessings. Till next time, bye!